Hello teacher, my name is Thuật. Today I will describe my dream job after graduation. Uh, is to work as an automotive software engineer at an innovative automotive company. I want to be a part of a cutting-edge company like VinFast, Tesla, or any major automotive brand that pioneering electric vehicle or autonomous driving technology. Uh, as an automotive software engineer, I will be responsible for designing, developing, and testing software systems for vehicle. This includes creating algorithms for self-driving capa- capability, improving battery management, and enhancing the user interface for the car infotainment system. The job requires strong background in computer science, electric engineer, and automotive system. I will need to be skilled in coding language like C++ and Java, as well as understand automotive hardware integration. To start my career, I will need to network with industry professionals, attend career fair, and apply for internship on or entry-level position that focus on automotive software. My position is vital because the future of transportation relies on the integration of advanced software systems that make cars safer, more efficient, and smarter. I'm excited to the part of the journey toward a more sustainable and innovative automotive future. Thank you for listening.